Hello, Illuminated creators. Alex here. So, I wanted to make a series of videos showing how to create a sacred geometry acrylic painting fairly easily. So, this painting, I decided to make it a fairly simple sacred geometry design. And there are really two ways to do these sacred geometry paintings. You can either do the background beforehand or the background afterwards. And on this one I chose to do the background beforehand. Just nice black background, simple. And one of the things that I like to do is I like to have a light source, usually coming from the middle of the canvas, which is easily done just by adding some white paint in the center, like I'm doing, and diffusing it outwardly. I like doing it in a spiral because it kind of looks cool that way. That's the way the mist looks. It's like mist, essentially. You're creating mist inside of a black background. And so just work it a little bit until you're satisfied. You can see that just by moving around on the outside of the white area, it diffuses out really well. And take your time. What I like about doing these paintings is the meditative aspect of it, getting lost in it. And yeah, sometimes you go into that perfection loop where you have to make it perfect for you. And hey, it's your painting. So here I added a little bit more, diffused it out. And this is just making the background for this new sacred geometry painting that we're going to be doing here. Thank you for watching the first video, and I'll see you in the next video.